Hey guys, it's Tomi from Good to Meet Ya. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger over at goodtomeetya.com, and today we are doing a Shein swimsuit haul. Okay, dance break over. So the reason why I wanted to do this today is because next week's my birthday. Whoop, Leos, where you at? Shout it out. Rep your sign. But we're going to Belize and I'm super excited. I have never been before. I really know nothing about the country except the fact that they have a really beautiful hotel that I'm excited to be staying in. And I figured why not celebrate the occasion with some new swimsuits. And today I'm gonna need your help because I'm known to be an overpacker and I would rather do well this time and prep and plan and know exactly what I'm gonna wear every day because I just find that so much easier. So you guys can help me pick which swimsuits are your favorites, and I'll know which ones to take with me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to see all of my new videos. And at the end of this, if you like what you see, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That helps me know in terms of content what you guys like to see, what you don't like to see. Feel free to comment any of your favorites and DM me if you have any questions on sizing, things that I might not have been as specific with. And I'll make sure to put links to anything I'm wearing in the description below. I'll also have a link to a blog post. I might have some other options on some suits if they happen to be sold out, or other things within that like pattern, style, whatever. If you're like, oh, I really like that one, but it was just a different color, yada yada, I got you. Don't even have to stress. I also feel like people are probably like, Tomi, why are you doing a swimsuit haul in August? Like, isn't summer almost over? Listen, if you are below the Mason-Dixon line, summer is until like mid-October here. So there are a lot of chances for me to still be wearing some swimsuits, okay? Like it's high 90s right now, very humid. Still gonna get a lot of wear out of these. And you know, if not, then you'll never know when that trip might arise. And you gotta be ready for it. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. That's my motto. Now I want you guys to know that the funniest thing about this haul is I have to have my windows open to my neighbors. So I'm just like parading around here in a swimsuit. And I'm just really hoping that they're all hard at work or just not by their windows right now. But I love this. Big chested ladies, this is not for you because tying this and keeping them secure, not the best. They do come with cups though. I was shocking. What? I was shocking? I was shocked, honey. Not in tears almost because I do really love it. I love the pattern of this. I do love how it fits. It's a little cheeky in the back, so beware. But 10 out of 10, very much glad that I got this. I'm wearing my normal size, which I cannot remember right now. I'm pretty sure it's just a small, but in case I do numeric, I'll make sure to get back to you. So, is this a favorite? Okay, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Hoffman, but this is what this print is giving to me. It is super cute. The downside of ordering stuff from Shein with swimsuits, you can't order individually for your size. So like if you are, you know, larger chested on top, but you have no hips on bottom, like it's gonna be a lot harder. I did get a small in this, and while it's like pretty okay, the bottoms are kind of a little bit big in the back. Like they fit, but and if this is how they're supposed to fit, then I'm a little concerned. But the way they feel right now, they feel a little diaper baggish. However, I do love it and I will be keeping it because I have wanted a Hoffman looking type of bikini for a very long time, but again, I'm not gonna pay those prices. And yeah, it's just super cute. There are no cups in this one. I love the color, and I think it's perfect for Central American vacay. Very on brand. I also want to note that, just so you know, I am wearing underwear. It might not look like it in some of these other ones, but I'm wearing underwear because that's nasty if I was going to do a return. So do not come for me. Please and thank you. Oh, is she cute? Okay, shockingly enough, this one actually has cups in it. I thought the bandana type top would not, but surprise, surprise. They're not like the most supportive things, but hey, they're there. You don't have to put in any from a different swimsuit. I love how this fits very true to size. I have a small on, and it's just a nice bikini. The bottoms fit very well. I like how different it is because usually, you know, you have the little scarf thing action going on that you can do from Amazon, you know, wherever, hair store. But with this having the cups in there, and just because of the material, it's more of that just normal swimsuit material. It feels tighter and not as, just more secure, so I don't feel like I'm possibly gonna lose my top throughout the day. but love, love, love. I'm usually not someone for the paisley print. I've been known to be a strong denier of the goodness of it, but this one, I'm into it. What about you guys? Are you someone that likes this print? Because I feel like perhaps it's growing on me. Is this even paisley? It might just be more of like a 70s vibe. All in all, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Ay, 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 ay. I'm basically gonna dance and be just very random throughout this entire thing, otherwise I'm gonna get tired, I'm not gonna get through it, and I need to get through it. Because these fits, these swimsuits, immaculate. Also, just because the summer is coming to a close does not mean you don't need these. You never know when the opportunity will arise for you to go on a vacation with that sugar daddy. Manifest it, dream it, believe it, do it. I believe in you. Okay, this one, ooh, Shein love. It's a 3-piece and it came with this little sarong. I will say it's a lot thinner than I thought it was going to be, which is fine. I do love this. I love the psychedelic type thing. This trend is so in right now, just like the 70s elements. This is a very nitpicky thing, but I don't like how the top of this bikini, like it's colorful on this side, but then white on this one. I just feel like it takes away from the prettier colors of all of it. But other than that, like, I really do love supportive, good material. This, I'm just gonna take it off. I do love how it comes with it, so you don't have to buy a matching set, but like, this material is not it, honey. Like, not even a little satin. It's not that much, Shein. Just a little bit more. A little bit more would have been like 10 out of 10. But other than that, like, obsessed. We love it. Floral patterns. How do we feel about them, guys? Like, look how cute. Cute. I am wearing, again, a small. And I think these are such an underrated, like, style for 2-pieces because, one, they're more supportive. But if you design them, they can be, like, pretty cute, you know? I love it. I feel like I can actually do like activities and stuff in this swimsuit versus just kind of like laying on the beach. No weird cutouts or anything. And yeah, the floral moment, I'm just into it. I'm into it. Loving the color. As you can see, I just kind of had a nice vibe for all of this. Oh wait, a booty shot, that's correct. Another favorite. The sizing it's all pretty good true to size, but I do feel like this one might be a little bit small. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. No need to size up or down or anything. Just gonna have a little close-up moment for you. A moment, a vibe. I like it. I like it. So I was in denial for a while, but that rhymed, did not mean to. But I, as an adult, have come to the terms that my favorite color is pink. It's fine. Ladies, it's nothing to be ashamed of. We are strong. We are fierce, and, you know, pink, sure, it's a feminine color. Embrace it. Don't be ashamed of it. This is a safe space, and I support you. But anyway, this, cute. Love the pattern. It's a little marble thing going on again. Fits great, normal, true to size. I think it's all just gonna be winners, and really the issue, which is what I'm gonna need your help with, is figuring out what to pack, because I can't take this many bikinis. Like, I could, but I can't. I could though, but I can't. I will not. Okay, I tried to save this swimsuit for last because of the situation where I got makeup on it and was trying to dab it out. But honestly, it's fine. I want to move my hair to the back though, just so you can see how fun this one shoulder design is. Super cute. And can I just say, when I first put this on, I thought my head was supposed to go here, arm through another thing. I was very concerned. But we worked it out. Praise him. Loving the color block trend. As always, you can see very much into these colors and hues. I'm not afraid to bring some attention. I don't know if anyone else is like me, but you know the TikTok sound that's like, there goes the whore. I feel that whenever I wear like bikini thongs, and I reserve them only for when I'm going on vacations with my husband to like all-inclusive adult places, just because, you know, the Southern Baptist guilt runs deep. So I'm like, you know what, sun's out, cheeks out, let's do it on this vacation, and I'm very excited to possibly take this one with me. But again, it's up to you guys. Okay, that's all I've got. So thank you guys for watching this video, and you can follow me at Good to Meet Ya on the gram to see which outfits I end up picking. If it's a little bit later, you can go to the Good to Meet Your Travels hashtag and you will most likely be seeing a lot of these fits. Again, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions and vote for your favorite below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.